Good morning everybody and welcome to Visit FYLDE Coast. It's another lovely morning. You can hear the trams clattering, the sun's shining. There's a little bit of a breeze blowing today compared to this time last week, but it's still lovely. Tide's in though this week, so we're on dry land, exclusively from dry land. So today we're going to go and take a look and see what's happening along Blackpool Seafront. So don't forget, before we get any further, make sure that you've subscribed to the Visit FYLDE Coast YouTube channel. Make sure you've hit that little bell for notifications because you really don't want to miss anything. And make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. And what's not to like about Blackpool? So this is obviously the glorious seafront and beach. There's not much of it at the moment. There's a few little kiddies down here playing in the 2 square inches of sand that's still dry. Oh look, a dustbin. If you come into the beach, please make sure that you put your litter in the bin, because it's been fabulous to see everybody loving coming to the beach and coming to the seafront. It's been so busy. It's been absolutely packed. Last week was half term. More bins, another big bin there, another big bin there. There's bins everywhere. There's another one here. Last week was half term and it was absolutely rammed in Blackpool, and everybody's discovering the benefits of the great British staycation, because you're confined to barracks. You can only go to Blighty for the time being. So while we've got a captive audience, we want to show you all the delights of this lovely seaside town. So today we're gonna weave in and out, and we're gonna kind of take a look at both sides of the promenade, and I'm going to do it from this side because the traffic's so noisy when you're doing a video. So we're going to see if we can try and cut some of the noise down a bit. And I'll tell you what, we'll walk in this direction. So I've just driven along the promenade and parked in my favourite spot. And in fact, I think we'll go over here, shall we? Here comes a tram full. They've still got distancing in place, so the capacity is limited. So I've just driven along from Cleveley's, and the whole place is buzzing, and you can see things happening all over. So I thought we'd have a look and see this morning what's new in Blackpool this week. So did you see Blackpool on the national news this morning? Yes, that's right, we are having deck chairs back. And not before time, I hear you say. Number one, they look lovely when you've got a beach. Here we go, tram to Fleetwood, ting ting. When you've got a beach full of deck chairs and people all enjoying a day on the sands. But number two, everybody's going environmentally friendly. We're all looking for sustainable ways to enjoy a holiday. So what could be better than a day on the beach in a deck chair that you've just hired? So the new sign is yet to go back up at Sea Life, but you'll notice that the signage is all new. Star Trek exhibition, I noticed, is still on the facade, but I'm not sure that that's actually still operating. Perhaps if you know the answer to that question, you might be able to just pop it in the comments below, and then we can all share that information. So this morning I'm off to Coral Island. When I've made this video, I'm going to go for a 2 and 6 tour of Coral Island, because they've got a fabulous new competition that they're running. So we're going to go and find out all about that. So if you subscribe to Visit FYLDE Coast, you'll get the notification alert when we've uploaded it. So that's why I'm saying that you need to subscribe, because then you get to find out all this new stuff and all this interesting stuff. There's the big parrot. Best type of parrot to have, that. Minimum maintenance, no clearing out, although can you imagine how big a plop a parrot that big would do? So it's actually warming up quite nicely. Sands venue, we've looked at it from the other side when we've gone through the town centre a few times. But it's, well, I can only assume that they're working like fury inside it, because we've not been meeting and having events and things. I've not seen anybody from Sands for a short while, so there'll be updates coming about that in due course. And then I noticed up here they were doing something at the oh, go on, what's it called? It used to be Burger King, that lovely Art Deco building that they renovated. Oh, it's gone, it's escaped me. But they were doing something to that. I thought they might possibly have been repainting the window frames, but we're going in that direction. So we'll go and see if we can take a look. And even though it's not half-term week any longer, it's still busy. There's still plenty of people about. Everybody's got the masks on to catch the buses. And this is the Woolworths building. So at the top of that scaffolding, if you get it in the right perspective, it just for all the world looks like the scaffolding's up on the tower. But at the top of that tower is the old Woolworths clock. So hopefully when they've finished doing their restoration work underneath it, the clock will be ticking again. Because that's a nice landmark in its own right. I mean, all these old buildings, they're just amazing. There's loads of them in Blackpool. You think of the obvious ones like the Tower and Winter Gardens and whatnot, but there are loads of old buildings on practically every street corner. In fact, if we just stop a moment and zoom in, you can see what they're doing under that scaffolding. They've got the corner squares off on the outside edge, and I would imagine that they're going to either replace or refurbish or something. And also as well on that level there that we're looking at, they've got some of the tiles off. There were tiles, weren't there? Ceramic tiles on the front of that one. Interesting. Be interesting to see what they're doing with that under there. Oh, look at this little class full of kids here. It must be amazing to be a school child in Blackpool, you know, and to be able to come on school trips to the seafront and whatnot. We used to come to Blackpool from school. I can remember coming a few times on coach trips. Not sort of educational ones, more kind of end-of-term summer, enjoy yourself and have a nice time ones. Don't know where they're from. This Poundland apparently is closed. Haven't heard anything yet on the grapevine about what they're going to do with the building. The other one is still open, which is at the corner of, now then, let me orientate myself. That's on the corner of the Woolworths building, I think. Opposite TK Maxx. Opposite my favourite shop. And there's the Winter Gardens. So it's about 10:15 on a Tuesday morning, and it's nice and warming up already. Looks like it's going to carry on being a good summer. Viva Vegas Diner on your right hand side, and Viva Show Bar upstairs. Purveyors of exceptionally fine pulled pork. if you saw the behind the scenes video that we did. Oh, that pub port was lovely. Las Iguanas, it's just come to me as I'm walking up to it. So this is the beach house. We've been looking at that for the last couple of weeks as they've been doing their upgrading and renovation, and that's all finished, that's open now. And this is the old Las Iguanas, which closed, and they're painting the barge board from cream to black. The whole of the building was restored, if you remember, because it was in a really bad state of dilapidation. And I wondered if they were perhaps going to paint. I think they're painting the render, aren't they, on the ground floor? Oh, I wonder if somebody's got that then. I wonder if it's got a new tenant. It's like they're working inside as well. Not that we're nosy. I will keep you posted. I will indeed. And then I think in a minute, when we've got up to the Clifton, we'll do a left and have a look at the beach to finish on. So I hope you've enjoyed this little walking tour and look to see what's happening on Blackpool Promenade this week. If you have, make sure that you've given it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit that little bell for notifications, and we will see you in our next videos because there's lots more content to come. Not finished yet though, don't disappear, because we're just going to walk up to the Clifton. That's looking much better. Last time we came, they'd just got the top floor of scaffolding down and the top of the building revealed. Pier's all set up and ready to roll. It's all looking tickety-boo. That's the new hotel at the site of the old Yates's and the town hall. Right, we'll do a left and go and have a look at the beach. Oh, that's a little bit more breezy. The difference in the breeze between there and here is quite astonishing. You wouldn't expect that, would you? There you go, back to the waves. And the tide comes in and the tide goes out. And one day turns into another. And that's where we started our walk this morning, right down there at Central Pier. And the shot of the tower. So I hope you've enjoyed that video and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.